Hey everyone, is your RAR or ZIP archive corrupted and refusing to extract? WinRAR includes a built-in repair feature that can sometimes recover damaged archive data. In this full guide, I'll show you how to repair corrupt archives with WinRAR in 2026, step by step. So let's get started. Before repairing anything, make a copy of the original archive. Yeah, this is important because you should always keep the original file untouched in case you need to try another recovery method later. Now open WinRAR and browse to the damaged archive. Double-click the archive to view its contents. If WinRAR displays an error, don't worry, we'll try the built-in repair tool next. With the archive selected, click Tools in the WinRAR menu and choose Repair Archive. Yeah, this starts WinRAR's built-in archive repair process. WinRAR may ask you to specify the archive type. Select Treat the corrupt archive as RAR or ZIP, depending on the format you're repairing. Then choose where you want the repaired archive to be saved. WinRAR will now scan the archive and attempt to reconstruct damaged information. Yeah, the process may take some time depending on the size of the archive and the amount of damage. When the repair finishes, open the destination folder. WinRAR typically creates a new repaired archive rather than replacing your original file. Look for the rebuilt archive and open it in WinRAR. Now try extracting the repaired archive. Yeah, choose a separate destination folder and start the extraction. If the files extract successfully, open a few important files to make sure they're intact. If WinRAR can't repair the archive, the damage may be too severe for the built-in recovery information to reconstruct the missing data. Try downloading the archive again, especially if it came from the internet or was transferred between devices. If you're repairing a multi-part archive, make sure all the volumes are available and stored together. Yeah, if one volume is missing or damaged, the repair process may not be able to recover the complete archive. For the best chance of recovery, always keep the original archive, work on a copy, make sure you have enough free storage space, and avoid repeatedly modifying a damaged archive. If the archive was created with recovery records, those records may also improve the chances of repairing damaged data. And that's how to repair corrupt archives with WinRAR in 2026. Remember, WinRAR's repair feature can recover some damaged archives, but it can't guarantee complete recovery when important data is missing or severely corrupted. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.